the parts of a computer. This video I explain and you can try the quiz. Okay, let's go to the video. The motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone of a computer. All other parts plug into it. The CPU. The CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of a computer. It tells the other parts what to do. That is very important thing in the computer. RAM. The RAM, random access memory. The RAM is the temporary memory of a computer. You can see 3 RAMs. ROM, random only memory. ROM is meaning, what's the meaning of ROM? Random only memory. The ROM is the permanent memory of a computer. You can see some of ROM. Input device. What is the input device? An input device lets you talk to the computer. Output device. An output device lets the computer talk to you. Activity. You can see this picture. Okay, now quiz time. First quiz. The motherboard is the blank of a computer. A, answer A. Brains, answer B. Backbone, answer B. Answer C. Foot. The correct answer is backbone. Second one. ROM is the blank memory of a computer. First one, permanent. Sorry, A, answer A, permanent. Answer B, smart. Answer C, temporary. ROM is the permanent memory. The CPU is the blank of a computer. Answer A, brains. Answer B, backbone. Answer C, foot. The CPU is the brains of a computer. Next one, RAM is the blank memory of a computer. Correct answer, RAM is the temporary memory of a computer. An example of an input device is, what is the example? Printer, monitor, mouse. The correct answer is mouse. An example of an output device is A, keyboard, B, monitor, C, mouse. The correct answer is answer B, monitor.